And today's video is about this look that I have on. This is like an introductory video to let you guys know who I am and what I'm bringing to YouTube. So a little bit about me. I am from Houston. I have 2 kids. I'm going to school for cosmetology starting February. I'm going to a beta. I can't talk, y'all. Going to a beta starting in February. It's a long time coming. So this YouTube page is about beauty, fashion, plus size, body positivity, and everything. We'll be doing skincare, lashes, anything you can think of about beauty and fashion. We're gonna be handling. So let's get into this look. Okay, these are the 2 primers that I use for my eyebrows. And so what I'm going to do is just put them on there, and we are blending. Gonna blend the other side, blend the top. Make sure you blend. Just dab, and blend. We're just blending. Y'all, this is a drugstore free. I mean, not drugstore free. This is a drugstore makeup video. Make sure you get that blended out right so it'll look right when you put your foundation on. Everything else. And then this is to prime our eyelashes for our, eyeshadow. That is the eyeshadow palette I used. It is called Beauty Is My Business. I got it from Family Dollar. And we're gonna use this dark brown color that I did. And we're gonna dab it so I can see how do I want my curve to be. I'm gonna dab. And then we're going to eventually blend it out so we can get that smoky look. Just blend it. Y'all don't mind my hair because it was one of them days. So that's why I did my makeup, and it was like I might as well just do a video, my first video on YouTube. So we just blending with the brown. And then I'm gonna use this other palette called Over the Rainbow. I got that at, it's called Miss A. If you don't have a Miss A in your city, you can go online and it's called Shop Miss A. I think that was like $10 for the beauty palette. I used the purple and I'm just mixing it in. This is for the crease. So I'm showing you how the crease is. What you do on one side, you must do to the other side. Okay, y'all, so I didn't forget. I didn't show the actual palette when I was doing my editing. So this is the actual color that I used. It is the purple color. I used that here with the brown. And then, since I forgot to record myself doing the glitter, I'm just going to show you guys what I did. So I put purple right here on the corner. And then I use this glitter. This glitter is called Unzipped. I used that glitter, and I based it first with this light purple, this real light purple color. I'll use it to say, well, it's not purple, it's like a gray color. It's called Exotic. This color right here. It's called Exotic. This is in the Beauty Is Mine palette. They glare. I'm serious though. Yeah, Beauty Is Mine palette, and I use the gray for the base, and then I use my NYX glitter primer. I think I got this at Walmart or the beauty supply store. This is a drugstore makeup haul. Well, not makeup haul, makeup video. So all my makeup is cheap, but it looked good. And yeah, so I just use the glitter, and I use a little brush, whatever, and I just dabbed the glitter on there after I put the glue on there with a primer. I just dabbed it, and then that's it. Now I didn't take a video. This is basically just the eyeshadow video. It wasn't a full face. It was just the eyeshadow video. I will have more full face videos in the future. Like I said, we do all things beauty, hair, everything. So thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. and let me know what I missed or what I didn't show or any pointers that I need to do for my next video. Thank you for watching.